Hey everyone. If you want to use Discord for Business in 2026 to manage customers, teams, or communities, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord for Business the right way. First, create a dedicated Discord server for your business. This keeps everything organized and separate from personal use. Next, organize your channels properly. Create sections like announcements, support, sales, and general chat for clarity. Now set up roles for your team and customers. Roles like admin, staff, customer, and VIP help manage access and permissions. After that, add a ticket or support system. This allows customers to contact you privately for help or questions. Next, use bots to automate your business tasks. Bots can handle FAQs, welcome messages, and basic customer interactions. You can also use Discord for team communication. Voice channels and chats are great for meetings and collaboration. Finally, connect external tools like Google Sheets, CRMs, or webhooks. This helps automate workflows and track data easily. So, yeah, that's how you use Discord for Business in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can manage your entire business efficiently in one platform. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!